इसकी करेंगे क्या उसकी? मेरा नंबर तो है ना तुम्हारा?
Holidays.
Yeah, before just on holidays.
Okay. And
हेलो, हाँ अभी मैं करता हूँ, व्हाट्सएप कर दूँ मैं।
हाँ हाँ टॉर्च बढ़िया है ना पढ़ने तो अच्छा हो गया
चलिए फिर तो
हाँ लग जाना है टेंट खोलने में
जब तक उसको यूज़ नहीं किया तब तक तुम्हें पता लगता है, करने के बाद पता लगता है। आपका बोतल में पानी है?
नहीं चाहिए हाँ रात को बस
रख देंगे। जब तक उसको यूज़ नहीं किया तब तक तुम्हें पता लगता है, करने के बाद पता लगता है। आपका बोतल में पानी है?
नहीं चाहिए हाँ रात को बस
सो
this is the third day of our Satopan expedition. The date is 11th of May and we started on 9th from Gangotri, and last night was in Nandanvan, which is the base camp of Bhagirathi Massif as well. And now we are moving towards the Basuki Tal. That is the base camp of all the mountains like Chaturangi, Chaturangi, Satopan, and all other mountains nearby. Especially, which is the base camp of our expedition, Mount Satopan. So you can see that that's the advanced base camp of Bhagirathi, and Mount Bhagirathi is just behind me. Due to fog, we are not able to show it. We'll take later clip. So we are excited. Weather seems to be okay, and we are very close to the Basuki Tal. So we'll be resting there tomorrow, and we'll begin our expedition from base camp from day after tomorrow onwards. So stay tuned for the more update. Thank you. Ooh. Finally, we have arrived here at Basuki Tal, and it's snowing. Everything is messed up, but boys are trying their hard. The camp set done, and so bread pakoda at the Basuki Tal base camp is get. तुम धन्यवाद करो पोर्टरों का जो कालिंदी के लिए रुक गए। एक दिन और लगता फिर हमें नहीं। We have shifted our luggage to the advanced base camp today.
ढाल्नु त अनि त्यो निकाल्न सकिन्छ हिजो निकाल्ने सामान धार चलाएर यहाँ मेरोको ढक्कन पुछ्दै ढेगडा पिछे हेर्नु नि उधर
You can see Pandit ji is trying very hard to make it happen. So we have to set one more tent like this here. So finally, we have arrived here at Camp 1 at the altitude of 5,100 meter from the sea level. We came here before also to do the load ferry twice, and then today finally we have shifted here. So we'll be spending one night here along with the clients, and then tomorrow maybe we'll gain some height and we'll go a little forward, and then we'll descend down to the base camp at Vasuki Tal. And the rest our advanced team who is gonna fix the rope from tomorrow onwards, they will stay back here for 4 or 5 nights, and they'll be fixing the rope on the Mount Satopant here. Mount Satopant there. And once rope fixing work is done around 80%, then what we will do is we'll start climbing from the base camp to here, and then here to the summit camp, and then final summit attempt, which is gonna be on थोड़ा देना इसमें
अबे मटन में गर्ने मसाला वही ना मसाला
बस थोड़ा थैंक यू क्या उल्टा डाल दो उठाइले Come little left side. मैं कैद कर लेते हैं इस को। गांड पड़ी। Yes. So finally. We are very close to the summit camp. Summit morning around between 8 to 10. And yes, Satopant is not an easy game at all. So finally we are at here in the summit camp, and one more tent has to be pitched up here. So they are just making surface for that. ये हमारे लीडर साहब नवीन भाई। हेलो साहब। So we are at summit camp, waiting for our summit night, and our special cook Mahesh bhai is making a special Maggi for us here. चलो भाई बड़ा बड़ा
मैगी पे डिनर आवाज बहुत गहरा है। चले भाई साहब, ये इतने लालची हैं। ये देखो, एक कैरावानर के लिए इन्होंने क्या सिस्टम लगा रखा है यहाँ, और वो एस्पिटोन के लिए जा रहे हैं। तीन कर वाह मिलेगी तो इसी की रोड। तू भैं पहले तक दौड़ तो उल्टा काम। घबराए ना यार, खतरनाक बिले मेरे दिन हो।
Morning all. I am standing here between summit camp and the summit. Unfortunately, there's a bad news. We couldn't make the summit today morning. As you can see, the weather and everything is fine. But our clients, we are having two foreign clients here for the peak. But yesterday when they were climbing from camp 1 to summit camp, something happened to their boots, climbing boot, and the sole came out, even both of them. And they were having very good mountaineering boot, which is La Spartiva, not even the local brand. But I think they didn't use that boot from last couple of years, and it was kept there in the store, and when they brought it here, used it, soles started coming out, and unfortunately they have to stop here, as after this all the knife is here. It is fully covered of ice and we need crampons and a good quality of boot to cross that area. If we talk about the team wise, our part, we have already fixed, you can see the trail, the route above the Naiparis. It was very close to the summit. We thought today, last night, we will leave around 8 p.m. and then this morning around this time, morning 8 o'clock, we would have made the summit as per the plan. But it got failed, unfortunately, just because of a lot of hard work come till here, made whatever possible by the team, and everyone's contribution was amazing. We were going very well. In fact, the weather-wise also, it was very good weather this time. It was having, in between there was some rains and snow, but mostly it was really good weather. But yeah, if client is not going on the summit, then what is the reason of, doing anything for them? So we are closing the expedition here, and thank you so much all.